welcome back to my cooking show, Hungry Management. Thank you so much for watching my first episode. Well, today we're going to learn how to make Portuguese peach egg tart. I've tried to cook this recipe with a store-bought pie crust, but unfortunately it doesn't work. So today we're going to learn how to make our own pie crust or egg tart crust from scratch. First of all, let's check out our ingredients. We have 150 grams of flour, 20 grams of butter, and 3 grams of salt, and 75 grams of water. And let's mix the ingredients together. This is where the fun begins. After you got the dough ready, you're going to food wrap it and put the entire bowl and let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour. Well, next step, after you putting the dough in the fridge, we're gonna get our butter square ready. Here I have 75 grams of butter. You put it on the parchment paper, or you can also use the food wrap. Afterwards, you have a little square or rectangle shape of butter like this, and you're going to put it in the fridge to chill along with the dough. Next, while we're waiting for the dough in the fridge, let's get our egg fillings ready. Here on the table, I have 150 grams of heavy cream, 70 grams of milk, 3 egg yolk, 30 grams of sugar, and no more than half teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also diced up some yellow peaches for assembling later. I'll show you how to assemble the tart. Now let's get the mixing ready. After 1 hour, we'll put the dough back on the board. We'll start rolling it like this and make sure that the shape is kind of like a long rectangle shape, because we have to use that to wrap around the butter. Next, we're going to put the butter in. Have to do it quick for this step because you don't want the butter to melt. Now let's fold the dough, close the end, make sure it's sealed at the ends, and then we're going to roll again. Next step, we're going to fold it again and put it back in the fridge for another 20 minutes. Alright, after another 20 minutes, we'll get the dough out. I'm doing everything really quickly because I don't want the butter to melt. You'll do the same thing, just repeat one more time. We're going to fold it again and put it in the fridge for another 20 minutes. After another 20 minutes, this is the dough that we have. I promise you this is the last time we're going to roll it. Well, actually this time we're doing a square shape. And next steps is we're going to roll it up like this. And put it in the freezer for another 20 minutes. This time it's in the freezer, not in the fridge. Alright, after 20 minutes in the freezer, we're going to cut our little dough here into 8 or 9 pieces, which means 8 cuts. I also coated my muffin tin with a little coconut oil. You can also use butter to brush it up. Oh, as you can see, I only make 8. It's not 9, right? It's okay. We can move on. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to assemble the tart. This part is gonna be fun. Can I ask my cameraman to zoom in a little bit on the muffin tin? First of all, we're going to put it right in the middle. As you can see, I'm pushing towards the bottom, and then you're going to slightly push up to make sure that it's covering all the sides. I got everything ready. Before we assembling our tarts, we want to preheat our oven to 405 Fahrenheit. And next part is my favorite part. We're going to get the egg liquid out of the fridge and just... Oh, first of all, you know what? Let's put the little yellow peach at the bottom. And then we're going to pour all the egg liquids in the tart. Don't fill it up too much because you will need some space to rise in the oven. Time's up! I've been waiting for this moment, so let's check out our egg tart. Dun, 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 dun. It smells amazing, guys. I hope you can smell it in the kitchen. Look at this. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time, our next episode.